The Best Choice Products 61-key keyboard piano set is an ideal choice for beginners, offering a comprehensive package that includes a keyboard, headphones, stand, and bench. This electronic keyboard features 61 keys, 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, and 50 demo songs, providing a wide range of sounds and musical possibilities. Aspiring musicians will appreciate the 3 teaching modes, one key, follow, and ensemble, that simplify the learning process with light-up keys and an informative LCD screen. The built-in speakers and headphones ensure that you can perform and practice with high-quality sound, while the rhythm programmer and music player function enhance your creative expression. A convenient USB port allows you to connect and play along with your favorite songs, adding your own unique melodies or rhythms to the mix. With its lightweight design and easy assembly, this keyboard set is perfect for residential use, making it a great gift for any budding pianist.